So here the melatonin is not produced, the serotonin is produced. This serotonin actually should be needed in the afternoon time where the worker's productivity is very important. This serotonin is needed in the evening time where you need to have a beautiful time with your family. But when the serotonin is produced in the night time, your brain gets a defective signal. That the signal cannot come through, you don't need to sleep it out. Now where is the culprit that happens? Is it the pattern of a lifestyle which cannot be changed? If I want that you should be away from your mobile, I can see many faces still in the mobile. I can say, hey, can you put out the mobile for 2 minutes? It's impossible. It's like asking a kidney from the man. I cannot put my mobile. So mobile is a part and parcel of the life. I cannot ask him, hey, you don't look at the mobile at 11 o'clock. He will look, because without looking at the mobile, how will he have the dreams? So mobile is an integral part. Let us leave it like that. Now, if mobile is an integral part, what is best thing that we have to do is to fill in the blanks so that the life becomes more amenable, the social life becomes more beautiful, and you can have relationship that really makes smiles on the faces. So what I will say to the mobile manufacturer, hey, you have to use a light that is generating the right amount of circadian rhythm. In lighting terms, what we say is that there is a curve which is known as McAdam curve, and that McAdam curve has to be under a certain nanometer range of frequency. Mobile manufacturers, in the gust of earning more money, mobile manufacturers in the gust of making their display screen more smarter, are actually killing the lifestyle that we really want to enjoy. So my dear friends, in the night time, even if you want to have it, you use a blue ray filter on your mobile so that your night sleep does not get affected. I have covered in the night, but then what about the basic daytime also? So in basic daytime also, if I keep the mobile example apart and I say the basic importance where every person is seeing the second person is due to a vertical reflection of the lighting, and that vertical, मेरा लैपटॉप में पेन ड्राइव नहीं लगता हाँ TW. So in the workers' productivity also, sir will be there. So sir is taking care of one of the most modernized factory. He will really endorse my fact that if the lighting is not proper, the workers does not feel invigorated to work. Now what is that right lighting? Is it giving him a more light, or is it giving him a less light? Or is it giving him the optimum light? When we are discussing on this platform a thing called IoT, it is not more or less light. It is the right lighting which should affect the worker's productivity, emulating the artificial intelligence in the human mind. Now I will like to break it down. The right lighting should give a trigger onto your eyes. That eye should give you a trigger into your brain. The brain should give a trigger to your synapse. The synapse should give a trigger to your hand or the leg, and that leg should eventually have a synchronized movement with the triggers of the brain. So lighting does plays a very important part, and lighting will play a very important part due to two very simple reasons. If you are seeing me, is because of the vertical illumination that is coming. That does not excite, because vertical illumination or horizontal illumination, seeing me or seeing not, will not matter. But consider a floodlight match that is happening over there, and a ball is there high up on the sky, and the right lighting is not there, the ball can never be taken as a catch. So lighting again becomes a very important part, and here there is a scientific lighting that works over there. I was fortunate enough, as I shared, in my career in lighting to have the illumination of the best stadiums, and in the best stadiums we used to devote nights and nights and hours so that how the right vertical lighting should come over so that any catch is not disturbed. Any catch is not dropped. It can be dropped due to the player lack of practice, or I should say the betting of the players. Lack of practice, betting is not in the purview of this platform, any other platform, but lighting should not be the culprit. Now, if you take over, the lighting is very important, that helps us to sleep. Lighting is very important to take the catch in the playground, and lighting is very important to increase the workers' productivity. Then what is that lighting should be taken over in an industrial workforce? Many of you know, I can hear that question coming out from the gentleman about the industrial IoT things. Before my presentation, my friend was talking about edge computing. And the beautiful question, I was very happy to hear from him, how much the industry has married IoT. We are, how much the industry has married IoT. Thanks a lot. Very happy to say that once upon a time technology will pervade to everything of the life. What is technology and what is innovation and what is productivity in terms? Anything which is not known today, if it is known tomorrow in very simple terms, it's technology. There's nothing great in that. But when how technology can improve, again the Moore's law. What I am talking today will not be tomorrow. My company or any other IoT company are not having hard copies of the catalog. Everything is coming on soft copies. The reason everything is coming on soft copies because technology is changing at a disruptive phase. And if technology is changing at disruptive phase, I will still say IoT is not there in the books, my dear friend. IoT has been embraced by many organizations. This is one of the example of a company where I represent, which has embraced IoT in a bigger way. Just to give a brief snapshot of the company, brief. Otherwise, I will not be doing justice to my company standing over here. The brief snapshot, every company is called a darling of the masses because of the shareholder reputation. Every company is called a fast growing company when a CAGR growth is fast growing. So this is the only company which has registered 237% of growth. For example, just to excite you, a share of 1000 rupees which would have bought in the year 96, today at 2017 is about a million. So that is the growth of the electrical industry that this company is taking over. Now the basic factor that comes over there, if IoT has to be done, IoT has to be provided to 135 crores Indian. IoT cannot be discussed over in this conference, otherwise this conference on IoT is not a topic to be discussed. If I can change the mundane life of the farmers, if I can change the mundane life of a lady who is standing on the street, if I can change the life of the people who are there on the housewives, then IoT is a successful topic. Otherwise it becomes as an ivory tower. What we have decided, since we are present in India with 80,000 retailers and we are touching the chord. How we are touching the chord? Because we are on the many verticals that are used in every household. Why not use IoT? Why can't I not use IoT in street lighting? Because that is what the presentation I would be taking over. But apart from street lighting, is there any other place where I can use IoT? Yes, I can use IoT in my mixers, I can use IoT in my pumps, I can use IoT in my air conditioner, I can use IoT in my dryers, I can use IoT in many other things. Out of this many IoTs that we have thought over, we thought the best way to take IoT is to improve the safety of the citizens. And if the citizen safety has to be improved, it has to be improved by using street lighting as a parameter. Again, why does the thought came to us? The thought came to us is that everybody is having a smartphone. So smartphone is now no longer used to make a phone call. It is used to do a lot of other things and phone call is one of the part. So if phone call is one of the part, so a street lighting should not only be giving light, that is one of the part that is deemed it should be giving. But apart from that, what is the other thing that a street lighting should be giving over? So one of the most important thing that street lighting should be giving over is the integration of all the services. And integration of all the services which I mean to say is that the integration of IoT in smart lighting technology. Now what is that smart lighting technology? I should make the analytics of the decision making process smarter, easier, error free, and obviously to the benefit of the person who is there as a superintendent engineer, electrical engineer, who is having a difficult time controlling the manufacturing excellence or the city parameters. What will I do as an IoT maker in a street lighting thing? In a street lighting, very much we will be aware, even if I take a journey, voltage, current, amperes, when is the street light switching off, when is the street light switching on, and if the street lighting is switching off due to malfunction of any one particular component which we call a control gear, when it is malfunctioning. So if I can have a small chip in my control gear, and if the honorable CM or the honorable PM is coming over for inspection, I don't need to replace the whole of the street lights, I can replace that particular control gear. Because of the chip I am getting a signal that it is coming to the end of the life. So that is called predictive maintenance. I have used IoT in a predictive maintenance. Coming further, how we have used IoT is using IoT in building governance, energy, mobility, infrastructure, technology, healthcare and citizens. Out of that, one basic thing that appeals to us is citizen. And if I take citizen as a basic pillar, then I will say healthcare, technology, infrastructure, mobility all comes into that family. Now in citizens, if I take lady safety as one of the things, hey, as a company, as an ethical company, I should take lady safety standing over the street as a prime example of using my lighting applications. I would like to have, because just now we had the celebration, or I should say the worst celebration of an anniversary of Nirbhaya Kand. If I thought my street light could be मतलब मेरी स्ट्रीट लाइट मुंह बगीर नहीं रहे, मेरी स्ट्रीट लाइट लोगों से बात कर पाए, मेरी स्ट्रीट लाइट जनता से बात करे, मेरी स्ट्रीट लाइट जनता को एक आभास दिला पाए कि ये स्ट्रीट लाइट है तो ये आपके लिए आंखें हैं, ये स्ट्रीट लाइट है तो आपकी सेवा में है. So how can I do all those things so that the ladies feel empowered over there to roam out in the nights? Apart from giving light, what we did is there, over the street light is there, we installed a GPRS pattern. In that GPRS pattern, we partnered with many technological solution providers. One of the solution provider came out with an interesting band. That interesting band was a rescue band. That LED light emitting diode is basically a point source. It's also work on DC source. So because of working on a DC source, many of the technological inventions becomes very easy. What we did is that there was a smart band. There are many smart bands coming over there. That smart band was integrated with the street lighting. So whenever it's again on a pilot stage, but that surely will be coming over very close to your heart of the city. Whenever there is some person who is having abnormal movement of the body. Now abnormal movement and normal movement again can be deciphered using the analytical engines of human body genome. What we did is that normal movement genome, there are 150 million movements that we found it over. We partnered with one of the bestest university in America. And abnormal movement, again the genome sequence was done. Those genome sequence was copulated and interposed to find out which is that one movement which is hindrance, which is safety, security, surveillance concern. Out of that one movement, we found 27 subsets of a movement which could be considered as hazardous. The moment a CCTV camera sees that hazardous movement, it sends a trigger to that smart band. The smart band trends the trigger through a GPRS platform. Mind it, the lead time or the punch time is only 45 seconds over here to the 100. And at 100, due to the GPRS signal, understand that there is some problem that is happening in particular street, particular lane, particular location, and the police PCR comes over there at the rescue of the lady. So that was one of the things that we are very proud to say that we could put it over to the Indian mainstream. Second thing, what we found is that why not street lighting be coupled with the energy infrastructure? By 2030, I am a part of the FICCI delegation where Honorable Prime Minister Modi ji is there, as the electric vehicle should be there by 2030 in all Indian roads. Just now I said, a street light cannot only be a street light, it has to be a live dictum of empowering the masses. So if 2030 every vehicle will be electric vehicle, they will need charging points. Every street pole will be the charging points. Again, IoT will play a very important role over here. You cannot divorce IoT over from here. So street poles will be the charging points of every electrical vehicle. Citizen safety we have considered electrical vehicle charging also. Now comes over the energy management. The energy management is one of the management that we did as a pilot survey is a dustbin management. So every dustbin that is there on the city's infrastructure has to have an IoT system of a trigger of an alarm that this dustbin is full, and that if that dustbin is full, that the particular person who is taking care of the maintenance will come over there and clean that dustbin. Now my street light will sense that trigger and pass on to the command and control center that particular area dustbin with the GPRS coordinate either has not been picked over. If it has been picked over, it has not been properly cleaned, and if it has not been properly cleaned, who is the culprit? So street light again is helping over to have the dustbin management and cleanliness. स्वच्छता अभियान मोदी जी का जो है street light भी बहुत अभूतपूर्व सहयोग दे रही है. The fourth thing that we thought is that why not make street light more intuitive? And if that intuitive has to be done by a street light, can we have the video? क्यों भाई साहब वीडियो चला सकते हैं क्या? वीडियो एक में चला सकते हैं? I had a small video that will show how we have made the street lighting more intuitive using human body sequence so that life becomes more interesting. We are all talking about beautiful tomorrow. एक वीडियो चलाना था. Video. So how can we make a street light more intuitive? So we found out the parameters of the energy. That is one of the basic thing that we are working on बेहतर कल के लिए. अगर बेहतर कल के लिए बात करें तो स्ट्रीट लाइट बहुत ही बड़ा साधन हो जाएगा बेहतर कल की आकांक्षा करने के लिए और बेहतर कल को रियली हमको सार्थक करने के लिए. तो आकांक्षा और सार्थक करने में स्ट्रीट लाइट का अभूतपूर्व सहयोग रहेगा. कमिंग ओवर अगेन टू द फोर्थ पॉइंट, there are voltage, ampere, current. All these things have to be taken over there on a city command platform. We have seen nowadays the situation is not very much rampant, but still many places in India. There's a video over there. And what we have found is that there are many people who take electricity by unethical means. So if that unethical means electricity is taken over, that street light system should give a trigger to the command and control system using IoT application. This particular area street light is drawing more power, and if that is drawing more power, you come to know that this power is excess than the subscribed power, and so I have to take some requirements so that that excess power is not consumed and that culprit is properly punished. So one of the things that we help the city engineers is using analytics, data engines and IoT to predict if there is any theft of the electrical power line. So theft of the power line, maintenance, predictive maintenance, citizen safety, dustbin management, and more than important, what we have done with street lighting is that make facade lighting more interesting. So facade lighting, what we have seen in India Gate, एक facade lighting का वीडियो है, वो चलाइए. There's a small video which I like to show. It's an interesting video that will give a feel that how street lighting and IoT is coupled together to give you an impressive feel.
Most of us hardly notice their presence at all. Havells has taken a step into the future with its professional LED lighting, and now it's time for the roads and streets. Havells has developed an advanced innovative street lighting solution for the smart cities of today and tomorrow. StreetCom. This smart street lights management system by Havells enables the management of a complete city's LED illumination system from a centralized location. The advanced system is an ultimate lighting solution for local authorities and architects to provide strategic lighting in the cities, which not just reduces energy bills, but also takes away the headache of maintenance. The system automates the process of switching the street lights on and off, depending upon the time of the day. Moreover, it's an astronomical time-based system which accounts for seasonal variations in sunrise and sunset timings for different locations using the GPS. It calculates the exact time for lights on and lights off every day and adjusts it in a gradual manner throughout the year, saving the user from frequently adjusting the on time and off time with seasonal changes. Taking advantage of the advanced Havells LEDs, the system can